Welcome to The Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. This is the show where we teach you how to cook. Today we're gonna make the secret recipe that my mama used to make. Now to make this recipe, I need the finest ingredients. Only the best for Chef Gazpacho and his mama. Let's take a look at what we're gonna use. Ooh, those look tasty. Now let's mix these together. Smells good. Now I'm gonna cook it up with that special gazpacho touch. Ta-da! Hey, it turned out just like a mama's. Now this is gonna taste really nice. Why don't you go give it a try? I know you like it. Here's the recipe once again. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
Secret Chef was brought to you by